What is up, YouTube? First of all, happy Thanksgiving. It's a great day. Happy Thanksgiving 2020. So today I'm gonna make this video kind of short since it is Thanksgiving and we all got stuff to do. I'm very excited to do this one. I've seen a lot of people do it already, but this is my experience and I'm super happy because I'm doing it for my son. It's not just for me, but I kind of am doing it for me because I'm really excited about it. And in the intro of the video, or I mean, as you guys just saw, it's a power wheel, and it's a big ass power wheel. It's an Escalade power wheel. Honestly, you could get these for real cheap right now because a lot of people don't like buying the battery. The battery dies. They don't like buying a new one. They're either give it away or it'll be really cheap. Like I saw some for $20 off of OfferUp, and fortunately, I had a cousin that gave it to us. And this thing was a monster. It was heavy. I had to put it on top of my other car. It was ridiculous. But anyways, it just brings me joy that now it is going to be running. He says it hasn't been running for about 4 years, and it's going to be running today. The way I'm going to make it run is, drum rolls please if I don't drop it, Milwaukee. Yes, you're gonna say, oh my god, we've seen plenty of these videos. Probably, most definitely you guys have. But this is my video because it's for my son. I'm trying to make this run for him for his birthday. He's always been wanting to get in it, but it hasn't been running. So I made it a lot faster. This is gonna be a really short video. So you have the adapter that plugs into the battery, and then I have this voltmeter, I guess. I don't know what this is called, but it allows you to use the full 18 volts and then go back down to the 12 volts. And I think I'm gonna have it at 12 volts until my son gets to know how to use it, because apparently it's super fast. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like to install. I mean, all I needed was some soldering tool to solder the cable, and you definitely need one of these, an amp. And then if you do that, I extended the black wire, the ground wire, and to plug it in, it literally says input and motor, and then my negative and positive. So you just pick which one you go to. So positive input and negative input, and then on the motor it goes positive and negative. And it's really simple. You just plug those in there, and yeah. And you definitely need the charger. I got it real cheap. All those things real cheap. The battery and the charger at OfferUp, $50 for both of them. And the pieces on Amazon, I will put a link down below. This is the cheapest one. It actually came with both together, and it was a lot cheaper than buying them separate. So I'll put those links down below. And if you do choose to buy them, it would help out tremendously to the channel. I appreciate those that do purchase it. If you want to get this for your child for Christmas, that's awesome. And we're gonna get going. I am going to Walmart real quick to buy some what was I gonna buy? Some Velcro or some sticky pads so I can stick them, so I can mount those pieces and they don't move around. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to Walmart real quick, and then I'm gonna go head where the toy is at, and then we'll get with the install. Okay. The beast. And that's where everything is gonna go, and we're gonna make it work. Alright, so first of all, what we gotta do is we gotta cut those wires. Goodbye warranty, but lucky for us, we never had the warranty, so that's alright because this was free. So be right back. Alright, so there we have it. We have it all mounted up. It's not as nice as I thought it would be, but it's mounted. Clean that engine bay up a little bit. It's still dirty on that side, but it didn't matter. So we're gonna plug the battery in and see how fast this thing goes. Yep, just dropped it. Let's go for it. And it's in there. I don't even know what setting is that right now. Let's take this off. Oh, holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, she said it's not fast at all. Let me just make sure this. Okay, we'll see about that. It's all the way up. Okay, cool.
How do you go?
It's the pedal is down there.
This is stupid. Okay. I actually fit in this.
Yeah, you do.
Ready?
That's why I bought that, so you can measure the speed. So I think the regular would be like right here. Now go step on it. See, it's not fast at all. Are you stepping up?
Yeah.
Did it stop? See, that's regular.
Yeah.
God, that's cool. So this video concludes the install of the Milwaukee battery. It's not just my face that got the cool reaction, it's somebody else's, so it's a good upgrade. Like, subscribe, comment down below if you guys want to do this upgrade too. The links will be down in the description. I'm out, peace.